everyone, welcome to Lolita's Kitchen. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by, and if you're a regular, thank you for returning. Today I'm going to show you how to make Moro, Arroz Moro. Arroz Moro is Cuban black beans and rice. So I have quite a bit of ingredients here, but I'm going to start from my left. In this plate right here, I have some red peppers. I also have some garlic. I have some green peppers. I have some onion, 2 bay leaves. I have ajicitos, which are these little peppers at the bottom of the plate. The other ingredients I have here are 2 cups of rice. I have 1 cup of black beans. I have 1 teaspoon of vinegar. I have 1 teaspoon of sugar, and I have 1 piece of ham for flavoring. And lastly, I have 1 pack of chicken broth powder and ham flavoring. So these add extra flavor to it. You don't need to add them to it, but I like to add it because it does make your rice taste a lot better. Even though I have ham already, the pack of ham flavoring, you know, lifts it up a little bit more. It gives it a little more punch to it. Okay, so let's get started. Oh, did I mention the dry ingredients? No, I didn't. I'm sorry. The dry ingredients. I have some Sazon completa, which is this right here. It's complete seasoning. It has garlic, onion powder, salt, pepper, cumin, and oregano. Now, I'm going to use this. This is going to be one of the main ingredients dry ingredients that I use. I also have some salt. I have some black pepper, and I have some extra oregano and cumin. Sometimes I add a little extra cumin and oregano, and I don't want to add the Sazon completa, even though oregano and Sazon is in. Even though oregano and cumin are in here, because then you have the garlic. I don't want to put too much, so I usually try to add maybe an extra little bit of oregano and cumin to enhance the flavor. All right, so let's get started. So I'm gonna go over to the pressure cooker, and that's where I'm gonna be making the beans today. So let's go over to the pressure cooker. Okay, so I'm gonna add 3 cups of water to the pressure cooker. Okay, I'm also gonna add in the beans. I'm adding in a half of a small onion, and I'm adding about 1/4 of green pepper. I'm also adding in 1 bay leaf. I'm also adding in 2 garlic cloves minced, and I'm going to add in 1 pack of ham flavoring. Okay, so I'm going to set this to beans, and I'm going to set this for 30 minutes. In the meantime, what I'm going to do is make sofrito in another pan, and so we'll be doing that while this is cooking. Okay, so I'm heating up this pan, and I'm going to add some oil in the pan so I can fry up the peppers and onions and garlic. So what I'm going to add now is bay leaf, some onions, some peppers, garlic, and I'm going to add in the ham. And you can use bacon, you can use anything that's smoked, turkey legs, anything to flavor your beans. And if you don't want to use ham or turkey, you can use bacon. So I'm going to let this cook down, and I'll be back. So now we're going to start making the rice. So to this point, I'm adding some olive oil. I'm going to add in the Sofrito. I added in the Sofrito. Now I'm going to add in all the seasoning. The salt, the pepper, the cumin, oregano, Sazon completa. I'm also going to add in 1 pack of chicken broth. what I'm going to do with the rice is I'm going to add it straight into this, and I'm going to stir fry the rice for about 3 minutes. So now I'm just stir frying the rice, just to get the rice totally coated with all the sofrito. And I'm going to stir fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm going to go check on my beans to see if the beans are ready. So now my beans are ready, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Okay, so I'm going to take some of the beans just to check to see if they're ready. And I'm going to, from looking at it, they are. And I probably could have cooked this less. Maybe I cooked it 30 minutes. I probably should have cooked it for 25, but every pressure cooker is different. All right, so we're going to take 2 cups of broth from here, and I'm going to add that to the rice. Okay, so to the rice, I'm going to add 2 cups of bean broth. Okay, so right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in the beans. I'm adding 1 scoop of beans. Matter of fact, I'll add 2 scoops of beans. So I'm adding 2 scoops of beans. And I'm going to mix with the rice. So I'm going to let this cook for 25 minutes on medium-low. And when it gets toward the last 5 minutes of cooking, I'm going to cover it up. So I'm just fluffing the rice, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this so that it can continue cooking for the next 10 minutes. Well guys, this is my delicious Arroz Congri, or my Arroz Moro, and I just wanted to show you a tip on how to get your rice dark brown. Well guys, thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Have a good day. God bless. Bye bye.